All right, so now we've got the deadlift position, and the deadlift position is actually very important because it's not only lifting weights from this position, hence the name deadlift, but also when we pick something up from the ground. So often the mistake that people make when they pick something up from the ground is they drop way too low into a squat position and stand back up. And we know from watching little kids move that when we want to investigate something, check it out, we do a squat motion. However, when we want to use our power and lift something, we want more of a deadlift position. So what we need to do is follow the same pattern of the squat. So if you have not watched a squat yet, I suggest you do that so you can learn about that external rotation within our hips and why that drives our knees a little bit outwards. The difference is, which you'll be able to see it in this other camera a little bit better, is as I go down into this deadlift position, as if I'm picking my kid up, picking a box up, anything off the ground for that fact, as I go down, I don't drop so low with the butt like I would be in a squat. I keep my back straight, I keep my shoulders back, I don't want them to fall forward, and as I come down, I'm doing that screwing motion into the floor, which I spoke about in the external rotation video, and as I go down, you realize that my back is staying straight, but my butt is staying higher because this is allowing a hip hinge from this position and me to stand up more straight, using the power of my butt and my hamstrings to pick something up. So again, if you have not seen the squat video, or if you've not seen the external rotation video or the law of torque, that is what you want to watch to really understand the depth of this movement. But what we're going to do from here in the deadlift position is we basically want to make sure we're screwing the feet into the ground, we're keeping the butt a little bit higher. It's not dropping too low into like a hybrid position of the squat and the deadlift together. We want that butt to remain high, the shoulders to remain back. The head is also part of our spine, so we don't want to break at the neck. We want to keep that spine nice and elongated and straight, and that is how we would pick something up. So if you had a child, it would be more from this position, standing up like that.